Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually start dropshipping if you're based in the UK. Now this is a global commerce platform, shopify.com. Now you can build your business with Shopify to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And what we have done is that we've gone into great details and discovered why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. Now obviously, because this is a global platform, you can easily reach anyone and everyone from the UK. So the UK is right over here, and you can reach literally the global world. You can reach someone in Saudi Arabia, in South Africa, in India, in Russia, in China, even in Australia or New Zealand for that matter. And even if you go all the way to the United States and Canada, and even someone in South America. So literally that is the power of Shopify. They have a global economic activity of $444 billion, guys. So if you're thinking about setting up an account on shopify.com and starting your dropshipping business, then this is definitely the video for you, because I'm going to go in great detail and show you exactly how you can start and set up your Shopify account and get all the things right to ensure that you are able to find the right product to put on your store and sell. So obviously with Shopify, you can decrease your fixed costs and you can bring your vision to life with their simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise that you personally require. You don't need to hire a front-end developer, a back-end developer, a UI or UX individual. You can easily select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And you can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would need to get your product in front of customers. They've got the best converting checkout on the planet that puts back your business with ShopPay, and the one-click checkout that's built to convert, guys, and a point of sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. It is easy to find new shoppers with the SEO and social media and content marketing tools that help you create and reach customers where they are. And you can build custom email campaigns, set automations to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools, and take control of your customer data to build custom audience and explore the customer insights that are driving the online growth. You can manage inventories, you can track your payments, and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business. So get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management and streamlined returns and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network, guys. And you can manage all your business's finance all from one place with the money management and flexible funding designs. And with entrepreneurs in mind, they have literally created all these tools to help you focus on your business, to grow your business, to scale your business, while they take care of everything else. So if you don't have a Shopify account, guys, don't worry. Just click in the description below and start your account right now. Or you can always start the free trial, which will take you to the next page. On this page, guys, they'll ask you a couple of questions before they can create a store for you. So which one of these best describes you? Are you just starting off, or are already selling in person or online? We're gonna go with the fact that we're just starting off. Now this is one of the most important bits, guys, because it gives them the information about what kind of store do you want to create. Is it an online store? Is it an existing blog or a website, a social media, online marketplace, in person, or you're not sure? We want to sell on an online stores where we can create a fully customizable website, guys. So once we've done it, we need to select the name. Now we need to make sure that we select the name that really means something, that has an actual element to it. But I'm just selecting a name for an example for this video to give you guys an idea what to do. But please make sure that you go in great details and do extensive research to select a name that reflects quality, that reflects the fact that this is something that is reliable to buy from. And obviously once you're able to do that, the brand development and image and strategy that you need to have is going to be effective. Now once we've done it, all we need to do is click on next. And this is one of the most important parts, because we need to make sure that where is our actual store is going to be located. So because we're making it for the UK, what we're going to do is we're going to scroll down and we're going to select the United Kingdom. Now once we select the United Kingdom, it's going to say that you're actually located in Pakistan, but do you want to make sure that you want to create a Shopify in the UK? Because obviously you will have your tax and duty obligations, payment issues, shipping issues, localization, shop benefits, and terms of service. Now the main thing over here, guys, is for you to understand, and that's why I'm making this video, to give you you an idea that you can actually start a dropshipping business in any country that you want, from any country that you're actually based in. And that is the reason, and the way that you need to do it is very important. And that is what you need to understand. Now, once we have completed and done that, we need to make sure that we can create a Shopify ID. And I personally believe the easiest way to start is with Gmail. But if you want to use Apple, or if you want to use Facebook, or you want to continue with your email, you can do that. But I personally like using Google. And once you do that, you just select the email address that you want to connect your actual Shopify account to. It takes a couple of seconds to actually build your store, to get everything ready, to get into your dashboard. And once you get into the dashboard, then you can start selling on Shopify. Now, this is your actual dashboard, guys. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your store name over here. As you can see, it's the UK one. You have your orders, your products, your customers, your analytics, your marketing, your discount. Now, once you click on orders, you can see the drafts and the abandoned checkouts. If you click on products, you can see your inventories, you can see your transfer, your collections, your gift cards. Customers gives you a complete breakdown of exactly who your customer is. And if you have multiple dropshipping businesses across different platforms, you can collect all that information over here. The analytics, which I personally believe is very good, it gives you the reports and live views as well. And the marketing is the main element over here, because you can start campaigns and automations. And if you click on discounts, you can give different discounts to your actual customers. The online store is a place where you can actually develop everything in regards to your store, from the themes, from the blog posts, from the pages, from the navigation, and from the preferences. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see that this is the current theme that we're using right now. But I love the fact that these guys have professional themes. Shopify understands what they want to do. If you want to visit their theme store, just click over here and you will get to the theme store. Now, there's two elements in the theme store that you need to understand. The first one is that they have certain themes that are completely free, and then they have themes that are paid for. Now, I always mention to check out the 11 ones that are free, and then once you understand the dynamics and you are scaling your business, go for the paid one. You got to make sure that you decrease your cost as much as you can at the initial stages, then gradually start increasing it once you start getting money in. Now, if I'll look at this one, this is completely free. I want to see what kind of theme this is. So I'm going to just scroll down and give you a breakdown before we look at the actual demo for it. So you can see the features, the review, the documentations that's going to be available, what is offered with this particular theme. So please make sure that you actually read through this to understand that does this work for you, because every single store is different, guys. Everyone's requirement is unique, and you got to make sure that you select the one that meets your requirement. Now, once you've done it, just click on view the demo store so you can get an idea of what the actual demo store is going to look like. This is what your demo store is going to look like. All you need to do is change the information, customize it, personalize it to your requirements. And once you've done it, you're good to go, guys, because it's simple and easy as that. Now, once you've done it, I want you to head back and check the most important element, which is the settings. Now, once you click on settings, there are two things that you have to keep in mind. The first one is obviously the address, which we have done is going to be in the UK. Now, after you've done it, you have to check and click on payments. Now, once you do that, and once you click on payments, you got to make sure that you activate the Shopify payments to get a competitive credit card rating, get better checkout conversions, easy chargeback management, and payout and cash flow tracking. Now, just to do that, you can easily connect your PayPal. Obviously, the setup is inactive right now, but you can actually connect it to your PayPal. You can connect Amazon Pay as well, because you can even add different payment methods. If you click on the add payment methods, you can see all the different payments that are provided by the provider, and you can search for different methods available as well from here. And easily by just clicking on activate the Shopify payments, you can put your name, your address, and then once you've done all of that, just click on next and get it registered. The other thing is checking the taxes and the duties, because obviously we are based in the UK on this store, so we got to make sure that we include the taxes. We charge the tax on shipping, we charge the VAT on digital products as well. And then once we've done it, we gotta save over here. And once we click on save, all the tax information is gonna get saved. And the same goes to shipping and delivery, guys, because you gotta make sure that you're actually delivering and creating every single element in the right methodology. Now, as you can see over here, all these elements are available, and their shipping available as well, and the packing slips are available, the carrier accounts are available. So all of these things are already set. Now we have to head to the markets. And once you click on the markets, we got to make sure that our primary market is the UK market. And if it's not, you need to convert it from here. All you need to do is click on manage. And once you click on manage, you can set all the domains up. You can set the product and pricing up over here. This is going to be in the British pounds. And obviously there's no collecting rules on the duties and taxes. So we're going to click on manage over here. And once we do that, that we have to set up the duties and taxes in the store first. So we have enabled that, and before making market specific changes. So obviously they go with the general rules to collect the tax and duties, but you got to make sure that you do all of that, because at the end of the year you would have to actually be in a position to pay taxes, and if you're not collecting taxes, then that definitely is going to be a problem. So that is how simple, straightforward, easy it is to set up an account in the UK for your dropshipping business. Now, if you need support, if you need guidance, guys, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.